Mr. Mehta, you share with us about this spiritual resource of vision. And I love how in this 7th step of this first phase of consciously creating success, it's not just saying spiritual resources, it's saying having access to these resources. Can you speak first a little bit about like the access? What is the importance of accessing these?
Oh, very easy. You got an antenna, then you got a Wi-Fi. I got access. Then you use the word Wi-Fi in your computer right now in the iPhone. What Wi-Fi code number or the ID number or password? Then you got it. Then you got access. I give a physicality. Same thing metaphysically. Also, you keep the antenna. There are a lot of spiritualities book coming to you. Keep the antenna open. Allow it to open. Then you receive. Once you receive, that is access. You do not allow the antenna to open. Do not allow it. You're confined to your own belief system. Your mindset is, your hardware is totally logged in. Then you do not allow. Once you allow the antenna, then you can receive it. And then you receive it. And that is the access. If you do not have access, you have to find out the code word to get the Wi-Fi access in the physicality. Then these are the code words. For the what code word we found it out is the one code word is the first. What is it? Character. Then next code word is we found it out the dignity. The third one is the vision, and fourth one is the grace. There is human grace, and how these are the code word. Once you type in the code word, you get the access, and then you receive. I'm just giving physical example with the metaphysical example.
Mr. Mehta, this journey of grace, could you share with us your own personal experience, maybe of walking this path of grace, and maybe some of the steps that you had to move through? Can you share some of your experience, your life experience?
Yeah, journey of grace. Okay, learn the skill. Seeking and learning the skill. And now I'm making new choices. I sold my company, I got a new choices. How do we consciously create the metaphysical center and plant the seed of the new spirituality and the newest evolution of consciousness. At the outer world in the last 150, 200 years is grown very fast. Outer world with science and technology. With the agriculture economy turned into industrial economy, and then you turn into information, computer came, then you got Apples or all kind of innovation apps came, and then innovation came, and now we are entering AI. We have to be careful that we don't become servant to science and technology. That would evolve the consciousness. So we have the ability to discern the positive component and negative component. I discern the positive component, and so negative component do not dictate. So science and technology become your servant or co-creator rather than they are a divider, co-divider. That is the whole secret. Is that.